Clicking on your campaign block will open the Configure menu. Click on the plus to view your campaigns. You can toggle between unsent campaigns or campaigns already in use across other automates from the toggle bottom left. Let's select a campaign. Now you can set up the time of day the campaign will be sent by first selecting the hour, then swapping over to select the minutes. You can also set the delay before the campaign is sent. The delay will come after the previous event. With these set, exit the menu to save your settings.